What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Dumbo. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with a fold across the top of the trunk. So we're going to start on the left side, we're going to bend this up and then down. Now let's leave a gap on either side. We're going to step over toward the left, curve this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind these folds. So from the inside we're going to draw an oval going up towards the top of the eye, go around and just tuck that in. Do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Now inside the eyes, I want to pull the pupils towards the center. So on the left side, we draw a circle. Go all the way around, then up. Let's add two smaller circles in the center and fill those in black. Now along the top of each eye, I'm going to add two lashes, just comb this out and then up from the top. Step down and add one more. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the cheeks, starting back on the left. Curving this down and then out. And I'll tuck the trunk in underneath the cheeks, starting on the left. Start by curving this down and in. Curl the trunk, going back out. Let's go underneath the right cheek, coming down. I'm just going to taper the trunk so it gets narrower as it comes down towards the bottom. And I'll add the end, stepping in, curve this around, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add a couple of wrinkles across the center. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw on the cheeks. Let's line up with the top of the left eye, step out towards the side, curve the cheek going out, come around, just tuck that in behind the trunk, line this up on the right, going out, around, and then in. Let's go back up to the top, step over, go straight up, and then bend that in towards the hat. Do the same thing on the right, and we'll connect these two lines with a curve of the hat coming down, and then up. Now above each eye, we're going to add two folds for the eyebrows. Going up and in, step up, and draw that again. Now let's add some more detail to the hat. We're going to take this curve, step up, and draw that again. Going down and up. On the left side, step in. We're going to fold the hat going up, round this out, and then come down towards the right. Round at the end. Curl this across the middle and then up. Let's go over towards the right side, step in, tuck that up underneath. Now I want to wrap the hat brim in behind. So we're step up on the left, curve around and in, like a bracket, and then add one more fold across the bottom. On either side of the hat, we're going to add a thick fold across the ears. So let's start on the left. Go out and up, and then bend that down towards the tip. And do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I want to taper this fold, coming back in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to finish off the ears after we've drawn the body. Let's start with the collar tucked in behind the head. Starting on the left, we're going to go out, go up, and add a wave coming in behind the trunk. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Now along the bottom of the collar, I'm just going to follow that same curve, going across to add a stripe. Now we're going to do that one more time. Let's move to the center underneath the trunk, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side and bend this in and then down towards the bottom of the leg. Do the same thing on the right. And round out the bottom of the feet, going down and up toward the left and right side. Let's round up the end of the feet, just pulling that back in. And we'll curve the outside leg going out and then up underneath the collar. Let's add two large toes across the bottom, start from the outside, add a half circle, leave a gap, and draw that one more time. Let's add some wrinkles across the legs, right in the center. Start with one curve going up and then down. Add a shorter curve across the top. Now we move down and go in the opposite direction with two more curves. Now in between the heels, draw a straight line going across. Now we draw the hind legs pushed out towards the side. Let's start from the ankle, then it's out and then down. And we draw the bottom of the feet. So from here, we draw an oval, going up toward the top of the foot, Come down and then back in towards the heel. Let's go to the outside of the foot, going up and bend that down towards the inside. Step up, draw the top leg going in behind the collar. Let's add 2 toes. Start with one curve coming in, leave a gap and draw that half circle. And we'll finish off the ears. We're going to tuck this in behind the legs. So as we start from the tip, bend this in, go out, and pull that in towards the foot. Do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Dumbo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.